Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, S.M.W. Outdoor Fishing Adventures. Well, we made her up back on the lake today. It's been about a week. Couple things actually happened. Weather. We had like three days in a row in the 50s and like lower 60s and lots of rain. Plus, I wasn't feeling good, allergies and that type of thing, and plus a little brake issue on my car. So I'm just my car is gonna be fixed on Monday, so I'm just today and tomorrow I'm gonna probably just hit some of the lakes that I have before. This is the lake right now, a Sporley Lake, which I have been catching really nice smallmouth and 3, 4, 5 fish a day. So let me get shoved off here, and we'll see what we can do today. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hello everybody, we are back here. I'm going to throw a bunch of stuff today. I'm not sure exactly what it's going to do. Like I said, I'm going to start, as I get to the part of the lake where I usually fish, I'm going to throw some crankbait. Going to do like I did the other day. I'm just going to float, and we'll see what we can do. Like I said, with the weather, I'm not sure. Probably push them to the shore, but let's see what we can do here with that crankbait. Strung all new line. Now my rods, I brought 5 of them out today, so never did that yet. It's actually pretty chilly right now. It's only like 52. That's one thing in. I guess I didn't tune in my rods, my reels, since I put the reel. I don't know. It's one of those days, again, where you should just not complaining, but kind of stay in bed. Like I said, I'm just gonna probably just cast this crankbait to the other side of the lake where I catch those smallmouth. I'm not sure how this lake is going to be today, whether it's going to be busy. I never really came here on a Saturday. Those fish are probably shallow. Let's paddle on up. So yeah, I forgot my anchor today, and I forgot my my battery for my fish locator, so we're gonna have to wing it today. So I guess life kind of throws some curves at you once in a while. Plus doing this kind of gives me a little break as far as paddling. So yeah, I went through all my all these cotton cordell neon spots, and I replaced all the hooks with katanas. That wind's turning me already. I'm not sure what the weather's supposed to actually be. Heard like mid 70s, but then it's supposed to get down like in the 60s again. And actually, when I got up this morning, it was like I said, it was like 42. Something's in the water down there. I'm not sure what type of bird it is. A loon. It's a loon. There we go. There we go. People already. Not sure what it is. Oh, he got off. Oh, darn, I couldn't see in that sun. Oh. Ah. I think it was a smallmouth. Well, I guess that's why they call it fishing, not catching. Oh for 1. Oh for 1. I haven't lost one for a while. I should have my polarized sunglasses on, but I tell you, I'm going to do that right now. Yeah, people, make sure you check them out too. I'm on their pro staff, Telrays. Now I got to take off my prescriptions. Make sure I don't lose them. I'd be in trouble. There we go. All right. Let's continue here. See if we can do anything else. Yeah, I think that was a smallmouth. That's the way it looked to me. Got him in that sun there, and I couldn't see what he's doing. Then he jumped out of the water, and that's when he threw the hook. So one thing with the kayak, the way they move, You always got to switch your. Good thing I'm ambidextrous. I can reel with either hand. There we go. There we go. Try to keep this guy in the ground, or in the water. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. Oh, this is a nice one, people. Oh, there we go. There we go. There goes a nice smallie. Or nice, I'm sorry, largemouth. Pretty fish. I'm not even going to guesstimate how much they weigh. Number one. Thank you, little guy. Number one. That's sure a hot bait. When I get turned around here, people, I'll kind of show you. That's probably the most pulling fish I had this year. Plus, I try to keep them deep. Sometimes I think I horse some fish, and I wish I could carry a net, but I just don't have the room in my kayak. All right, people, we are back here. I kind of ran out of battery, so we got that squared away. I think we are going to sail down at the other end of that dock. It's pretty much where I caught them last time, but like I said, that cold front really cooled off that water, so they might be a little deeper. So I might concentrate on offshore today. There's that log there that a couple of them came off of. I got a wacky rig set up too. I haven't tried one of those yet. I got a smart bait on there. So I'm going to go up to this log here and toss. Just jig along there a little bit. Then if that fails, I might throw that wacky rig. If that fails, then I think I'm going to go deep again. With the it's such a nice drop off in here. Starting to really like this lake a lot. It's pretty, it's quiet, and for being a Saturday, I thought somebody thought I'd be kind of busy, but so next week I'm gonna, after I get my car fixed, I'm gonna chase down some different lakes. I think it was 4 different lakes I think I fished so far this year. Alright, let's see what I can do by this log again. There we go. First cast. First cast. Nice. Another nice largemouth. There we go. Nice one. Number 2. Should have been number 4. Thank you, man. Yeah, it came off that log again. First cast, he gobbled that up. Yeah, he slammed that thing. Well, that was worth it. Changing out to that, it's called Flash and Bluegill. Came right off that drop off again. I don't know if you noticed, I got fishing pants on. Same material that the Weatherwick shirts, the jersey shirts. They're sure comfortable. Two largemouth today, and I know one of those that got off, that was a smallmouth, the one that jumped there. Right on the edge of that drop off again. They're not big largemouth, but I'm starting to catch a little bigger ones. There we go, another one. Another largemouth. About the same size. See if he's not the same one. Nah, he's not. Boy, he hammered that thing. Pretty fish. There we go. It's number 3 in the boat. There we go. Yeah, they're coming right off that little drop off by that log. Right there. I was going to switch over to the wacky rig to try. I still might. No smallmouth yet. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to put on some top water too, because of all them bugs out there. Tomorrow I'm going to probably work on my top water a little bit. Let's get us back out there. I gotta check out that trailer. Probably had that mangled. Yeah, those are nicer, little nicer largemouth. Probably gonna just guess on those, probably a couple pounds, a little bit more. But I know sometimes I get too excited and I guess too big. Probably saying out there who watch my videos, oh, he's crazy. Those aren't that big. No, they're not. I just get too excited. All right, let me check this trailer out here. It looks like it's fine for one more fish. I had no problem getting those fish, and they just gobbled that jig. There we go, another one. There we go, another smallmouth. Or not smallmouth, another largemouth. About the same size. I'm just kind of checking and see if it's the same fish, but it's not. There we go. They're pretty fish. It's pretty fish. What I found too is some of the channels I watch, I'm not mentioning names, but they just chuck the fish back in, and I don't know if they realize, but they actually can bust their belly open. How's this one? Maybe one more fish. That's number 4 in the boat, or in the kayak. All largemouth though. These ones are, last time they seem to hit on the top jig when I get more to the top. These are hitting actually on the reel down. They got to be all males. I mean, they're just full of meat. There's no post spawn there on those fish. Let's get back out there again. I'm gonna get out here a little bit. I'm gonna work towards that dock. I think that's where I caught a couple of smallmouth there. There we go, another one. Another largemouth. Boy, them are pretty fish. Boy, they're just gobbling that. Pretty fish there. Pretty fish. Number 5. Got my limit. Looks like I got to put on another bait. It's getting kind of tore up. I got to contact Jim and Jay at all right, people, we are back. All right, we need to get back out there. And I think I'm going to switch back to the jig. Go up a little bit past this log. I never really worked this shoreline here. I might do that on the way back, but I don't know. I had such good luck there on going back. Might go back and just do offshore again. I got fish slime all over my pants. They're sure comfy. All right, let's get up here a little further. I'm going to throw this a little bit more. I want to get a smallmouth. That's all I've been catching really over on this side is smallmouth, but for some reason, largemouth been trolling in here. Maybe they're just after that bluegill fry. There's nobody out here in their pontoons or nothing. There we go. Another largemouth. Another largemouth. Another largemouth. See if I can get this guy out of here. I gotta get my pliers. All right, there we go. Number 6. Number 6. Oh, he's a crazy fish. Oh, I never put my my batteries in my dry bag. Yeah, people, if you go, any type of thing, if you're going to the beach or whatever, fishing, these dry bags are sure nice. I think this is only like Amazon, like $10. All right, people, we are pretty much done for the day. I would like to thank everybody that's been part of this, my viewers, my subscribers, everybody that's I've been on their pro staff. They've been treating me really well. Let me go through them, see if I can remember them all. We have Ardent, Trophy Technology, Lucky Tackle Box, Trophy Bass Company. Let's see here. Line cutters. Trying to think here. Hope I'm not missing anybody. Mickey Finn Outdoor Products. Telrays. Polarized sunglasses. I think that Bass Reaper Bait Company. And I think that's probably it. Oh, here comes the wake.